Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, park the Swift on level ground, shut off the engine, remove the key, and open the hood. Once done, disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts and accidental power to the bulb circuit. Make sure to wear gloves to keep oils off the new bulb. Next, locate the headlight rear cover. You'll see a round plastic cap or rubber boot held by clips. Carefully unclip and remove that cover so you can access the bulb socket directly. This gives you safe working room. With the cover off, press the harness release tab and pull the connector straight back. Do this gently to avoid breaking the wires. Next, grasp the bulb socket and rotate it counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to free it. Pull the old bulb straight out. Inspect the base to confirm the replacement matches the model and wattage. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass, oils shorten life, and align the tabs, seat it fully. Then twist clockwise to lock the socket into place. Once the bulb is secured, reconnect the wiring harness until it clicks and replace the rear cover, ensuring clips or the rubber boot seal evenly to keep moisture out. Reconnect the battery negative terminal, then turn the ignition and test low and high beams to confirm alignment and operation. If the new bulb flickers or does not light, check the connector for corrosion, ensure the fuse is intact, and verify a good ground. Tightening connections or replacing a corroded socket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.